Hello everyone. In this video I like to show you how you can display Julia sets using mandelbrot.py. You know this graphical user interface already. Here I can enable the Julia mode. I choose to display a big figure for the Julia sets. How's the Julia set created? It's done using this formula. It looks the same like for the Mandelbrot set. There's one difference. C0 is not 0 but C, complex number C. This number C defines the Julia set. It's taken from the center of the Mandelbrot set. So I choose a new center by clicking into the Mandelbrot set, and you see how the Julia set changes. I move to different locations through the Mandelbrot set, now without changing the magnification. This way you could explore the Mandelbrot set, but there's a more efficient way. There's a feature, Julia scans, which have been implemented. So I reset the Mandelbrot set. Now I define a scan using the right mouse button. This way I select a polygon for the Julia scan, and I can execute. See how this plus sign moves along the polygon, and how the Julia set changes accordingly. There's another way to define a Julia scan. By a circle. A circle is defined by 3 points. Now I will choose 3 points and start to execute. I see that this is too fast. I will stop. How can we slow down? Well, the easiest way is to increase the number of scan points. This creates more images along the scan path. We could also, for instance, increase the number of iterations. So let's do it again. This looks better now, I would say. Okay, can stop the scan. And there's one thing that I wanted to show. I start the shader and the smoother, and then I choose a different color, and then I will define another scan path, maybe here. Show the different area. Okay, and I start to execute. Now we have the shader and the smoother running, and I think it looks quite nice. For me, at least. Always very interesting to watch when the scan crosses the border between the Mandelbrot set and the vicinity where the points escape. Okay. I will stop the scan now. So this is all what I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for your attention.